How to get your TikTok account unbanned. Now, since you no longer have access with the TikTok application, what we will be doing is we will be using our preferred web browser on our mobile phone. Down here, just simply type in TikTok support and it should be able to be visible on the first result. So just tap on that. Now, for us to be able to get our account unbanned, we will submit an appeal. Now, in here, just simply type in under the search bar, um, type in unban, and you will be given out a result right here. So tap on underage appeals on TikTok, and then just scroll down a bit till you find this option that says submit an appeal. So just tap on that. Then here, um, there are a specific guides and tips on how we can successfully submit an appeal for us to be able to get our account unbanned. Now there are also a lot of options for you to be able to get those related issues. So in here, what we want to do is just to get their online form, and you just have to fill out this necessary information right here, like your account was unbanned, that you don't have any idea why, and then their customer support will be the ones to rectify the problem for you, and just have to keep your lines open and check your email time to time. So that's it. That's the most convenient way on getting your TikTok account unbanned.